Step-parenting can be very stressful for many couples, especially in the beginning. If certain issues are not addressed early, the marriage could be severely damaged. Therefore, if you marry someone with children, especially if one or more of the children will live in your household, I strongly encourage you to have a candid discussion about parenting issues with your spouse before you are faced with parenting issues that could fracture your marriage. As you try to mold your blended family into one cohesive unit, consider the following tips. They may help you work through any tension and develop a stronger relationship with your spouse and stepchildren. Number 3, hold children accountable. Not only should guidelines be developed for your stepchildren to follow, you should also establish penalties for breaking those rules. That way, your stepchildren will know what to expect when rules are broken. God used the same principle in the Garden of Eden when dealing with Adam. Please read Genesis 2, verse number 15 through 17. You and your spouse should also have the freedom to lovingly discipline your stepchildren when rules are broken, because being a step-parent should not minimize your authority in your home. Please discuss this matter with your spouse because some natural parents disagree with this idea.